friends, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be building these two Star Wars and Marvel mini Lego sets. I'm super duper excited. We are going to get started with the Millennium Falcon. This one is 74 pieces. Let's go ahead and get building. So here's how our Millennium Falcon turned out. It looks super duper good, I think. Super simple and super awesome. So let's go ahead and get into the Doctor Strange's Interdimensional Portal set next. This one's a lot smaller at only 44 pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's what the portal looks like, and then we also got this little Doctor Strange figure, a super duper simple set. I think it's awesome. So let me know what you thought of the sets that we built today. Here's a closer look at them. I really hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a new one soon. Bye!